Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss about transistor, different types of transistors and advantages of transistor. So basically a transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. So in this definition itself they have clearly mentioned what transistor made of and its application. Basically, the transistors are the basic building blocks of modern electronic devices. So whatever the modern electronic devices we are enjoying today, most or almost every device is made of transistors. Okay, so basically the transistors is of two types. The first one is BJT and the second one is FET. So these are the two types of transistor. One is BJT, bipolar junction transistor. The other one is FET, field effect transistor. So in BJT, again, it is of two types. One is NPN transistor, the other one is PNP transistor. Similarly, FET, there are MOSFETs and other devices are there. So we are not focusing on this. Basically, we will see what is BJT and different types of the BJT. So here it is of two types, NP and PNP. So in the previous classes, we have learned what is diode. Particularly, this is a PN junction diode. So this symbol looks like this. So this is the P-type material and N-type material joined together suitably and made two terminal. One is anode, the other one is cathode. And we have seen that diode, when it is connected to the external power source in forward bias condition, the diode is on. That is, the flow of electrons will be there. And in reverse bias condition, the diode is off. That is, no free movement of the electrons from one terminal to the other terminal. Okay, so basically this diode is a PN junction diode where one PN junction will be there, two terminals will be there. Okay, so here the transistors are also known as three terminal PN junction device because the transistors or the BJTs consist of three terminal by name base, collector and emitter. Okay, so what are these pins, how exactly it is, we will see now. So basically in the transistor you should remember that the BJTs are current controlled devices and FETs are voltage controlled devices. So based on the application we will use. So whenever the current controlling application is there, we'll go for the BJTs, and if it is voltage control, we go for the FET. So this is the general information you should know. So here we will see the BJT. Okay, basically what is NPN and PNP. Okay, so this is the picture representation of the NPN transistor. Name itself suggesting NPN, N material sandwiched between P material and the other one is N material is there. You can see from this figure. Okay, so there are three terminals which is possible here. Okay, so what they do is one terminal or the one type of N-type material, they do highly doping. That means more impurities they will add. So the more free electrons will be there. That terminal we will call it as emitter. In between layer we call it as base. The other one we call it as collector. You can see I heavily doped. So there will be more free electrons are there. So this is usual N-type and the P-type. So three terminals. Okay. So you can see by combining material like this, we'll get two junctions here. One in between N and P, the other one is in between P and N. So if you see this, we can easily say this is nothing but two diodes which are connected back to back. So this is emitter, this is base, this is collector. You can see this is negative terminal, positive, positive, negative. So the same thing pictorially we will represent like this. Symbolically, the NPN transistor we will write like this. So this arrow will towards the outside, which is very important. So this is the symbolic representation of NPN transistor. So don't worry about that. What is NPN transistor? How exactly it will work? We will see in the next class. Okay. So simply remember, this is how we will connect the N and P type material to make NPN transistor. This is two diodes connected back to back. And this is the symbolic representation of NPN transistor. Similarly, we will see PNP transistor also. So this is the how PNP transistors are there. Two P-type material in between, sandwich between N, and diodes which are connected. You can see this is positive, negative, negative, positive. So three terminals are there, and this is the symbol. You can see the PNP transistor, the arrow is inward. In the NPN we have seen that is outward.